Hey guys, what's going on? It's Justin just coming to you with another video. Today is going to be a excuse me, it's a zero tolerance 0562 CF dismantle and take apart and cleaning. We're going to clean it, take it apart, maintain it. If it needs lubricating, we'll lubricate it. I've got this stuff, KPL, knife pivot lube. And I got my little tray here, ready to go. And here's the knife. So we're going to take it apart and maintain it and clean it up. This is all titanium. The whole backside is titanium. That's a stainless steel liner and then carbon fiber. So I put this in my right pocket, so it goes in like that. So I guess I'd like to say I like the knife a lot. What we'll be doing is, see this pivot here? That's one size, and then the other side is a different size. So you don't need two different bits. You know what I'm saying? You don't utilize one bit, you utilize two bits. So, we're going to take it apart and clean it up, and we're going to check it out. So, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to aim the camera down at the tray, and we're going to get started. Okay, so here is the knife. And we're going to start taking screws out. So we got Oria bits. Oria from Amazon. They're supposed to be pretty good. Okay, so I got a T8. Yeah, it looks like all the body screws are T8. So we're going to go ahead and start taking screws out. There's one. Here's two. And here's three. Now we're gonna do the pocket clip. Now the pivot, you're going to need a T8 and 2 T8s. So here we go. That's a T8, and that's a T8. And we're gonna take apart the pivot. Okay, so that's the pivot. The carbon fiber comes off. Okay, everything comes apart. So here's the liner. So we're going to just take a piece of paper towel and just clean it up. And we're going to take the blade out. Going to take the bearing out. And we're just going to clean up the blade a little bit here. The bearings clean, just hit the bearings with paper towel. We're just wiping down the bearings. Okay, so it's completely disassembled, and we cleaned it up. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to put it back together. Now we're going to put it back together. Now for the liner. Now we're going to put a little Loctite on the pivot screw. Okay, the pivot's in. Okay, the pivot's, here's the pivot, that's in, as you can see. Now we're going to put the pocket clip in. Okay, the knife is for the most part back together. Now we're going to put the body screws in. So this whole knife was a T8, which is pretty good. Just one more right here. This is the ZT0562 CF. carbon fiber. Okay. It's working out pretty good. I got it tight. Everything's snug. The blade centering is perfect. I gotta get some proper lighting for this stuff. So basically, it was a mission successful. I don't need to do anything to this. It's really a phenomenal knife. I really like it a lot. So everything ended up coming out pretty good on this one. All these screws are tight. No Loctite is needed for this one, this one, this one, and this one. All four of those do not need Loctite, but the pivot, however, does. I put blue Loctite, so I'd say everything worked out pretty good. Carbon fiber looks phenomenal. This is all titanium. That's a lot of titanium. Not a cheap knife. This was $260 on eBay. I make payments on it. I got the Klarna app. Klarna. Klarna. It's a bank. You make payments on it every 2 weeks or every month. So, alright, well, this was a mission successful. I took the knife apart, wiped everything down, made sure it wasn't too oily, and put it back together. So, I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, bye.